Fat-burning secret from world's #1 weight loss doctor. Obesity has emerged as a global epidemic, affecting millions and posing significant health risks, including diabetes, heart disease, and various other chronic conditions. This alarming trend underscores the urgent need for effective weight loss strategies that can help individuals reclaim their health. One prominent voice in this field is Dr. Jason Fung, a renowned expert on obesity and intermittent fasting, who offers valuable insights into sustainable weight loss. Today we'll share his fat-burning secrets. If you want to find out in details, do get a copy of his best-selling book, The Obesity Code. These aren't your typical diet tips. They are science-based strategies, rooted in how the human body actually works. Now let's get right into it. 1. You are not always hungry. Do you know that our brain often misreads thirst signals as hunger? So instead of reaching out for a snack, drink a glass of water. Drinking water before meals can help you eat less without trying. You can reduce your calorie intake just from staying hydrated. And over time, that adds up in a big way. True, exercise isn't your main fat burner. Most people think working out equals weight loss. But Dr. Fung says exercise is for health, not direct fat loss. A workout may burn 300 calories, but one sugary drink can cancel that out instantly. Exercise helps with mood, muscle, and insulin sensitivity, and it's incredibly important. But when it comes to losing weight, your food choices still matter more. So keep working out, but don't expect it to be the fix by itself. 3. Eat more protein to stay full. Out of all the macronutrients, protein takes the most energy to digest. That means you burn more calories just processing it. It also curbs your appetite and keeps you satisfied longer. Prioritize foods like eggs, meat, fish, tofu, or legumes. If you're always hungry, your meals probably need more protein. It's one of the easiest ways to eat less without feeling deprived. 4. Sugar keeps you fat. Dr. Fung calls sugar one of the biggest obstacles to real weight loss. It spikes insulin, which is the hormone that tells your body to store fat. Even small amounts of added sugar can trigger cravings and overeating. And sugar is hidden everywhere, from sauces to bread to healthy snacks. Start reading labels and avoid anything with added sweeteners. Whole fruits like berries are fine in moderation, but ditch the processed junk. If you're finding value so far, please subscribe for more natural tips to supercharge your health. 5. Refined carbs spike insulin. White bread, pasta, pastries, crackers, and flour-based foods hit hard. They digest quickly, spike your blood sugar, and crash your energy later. Dr. Fung says they're almost as bad as sugar for weight gain. They offer little fiber, little nutrition, and make you hungrier faster. Switch to fiber-rich vegetables and whole food carbs instead. You don't have to cut carbs completely, but you do need to cut the refined ones. 6. Snacking keeps insulin high. Snacking all day sounds harmless, but it's a metabolic trap. Every time you eat, insulin rises and fat burning stops. When you constantly snack, your body never gets a break. Dr. Fung recommends eating 2 or 3 proper meals a day with nothing in between. This gives your body time to lower insulin and tap into fat stores. It's not about eating less, it's about eating less often. 7. Fasting is the ultimate fat-burning switch. Intermittent fasting is not starving, it's structured eating. When you fast, your insulin levels drop and your body finally burns fat. Dr. Fung suggests starting with a 12 to 16-hour fasting window. This could mean skipping breakfast or just delaying your first meal. As you get used to it, your hunger fades and your energy improves. Fasting works because it aligns with how your body is designed to function. Dr. Fung's advice is about syncing with your biology, not battling it. Weight loss gets easier when you understand what your hormones are doing. Focus on quality food, reduce meal frequency, and give your body time to burn fat. These tips are simple, not always easy, but they work. Pick one, stick with it, and build momentum. So which of these tips from the #1 weight loss expert are you trying next? Drop your answer in the comments. Let's talk results. And be sure to check out our other videos on how to improve your health naturally.